Okay, getting our first look at Castaway here in storage. On the outside. Check out the gear. Needs a good cleaning. Bottom looks pretty good. Some areas that are going to need touched up though. But not too bad. That doesn't look good. Probably a little flesh wound from moving boats around here in storage. Anyway, overall, she's looking good. She's ready to get back in the water. Gonna get on her, check her out, see what's happening. Just got the new front isinglass done. Looking good. Pretty filthy, but we'll be cleaning her up. It all looks pretty good and clear now. Let's take a look downstairs. Turn the lights on. Looks just like the way I left her. Can't wait to get her in the water. Looking good. Won't be long now. Hopefully by the end of the week, we'll be splashing down.